What's going on, everybody? So today I will be showing you how I make my brown stew chicken, my steamed cabbage, rice and peas, and sweet plantain. I hope y'all ready. So here what I'm showing you right now is how I make my rice. It's quick and easy. I love using jasmine rice. And I'm using gungo peas in the can. You can also use red kidney beans as well. So allow your rice to come to a boil. Steam it very nicely. Just leave it alone. It will cook itself. We're going to go ahead and move on to our chicken. I have chicken legs and I have boneless, skinless thighs as well. I've seasoned it, marinated it with salt and pepper, adobo, all-purpose seasoning, as well as some thyme. Make sure you have that thyme. That's key. And some onion and garlic powder, and I also use the Grace browning sauce to go into the chicken. This is why we call it brown stew chicken. Then I will add the onion, red and green bell peppers, and we're just going to allow this to all incorporate together with 2 cups of water, depending on how big your pan is, but I'm using 2 cups of water. Then I just leave the chicken alone and allow it to slowly cook. And then I'm just showing you here how I do my cabbage with frozen corn, peas, and carrots. And I add a bit of salt and pepper and a bit of curry powder. That is a tip. If you go to the Jamaican restaurants and you notice that the cabbage is a bit yellow, they do tend to add turmeric or curry powder to the cabbage. That is a little tip for you. Then the chicken, we just kind of stir it up, checking on it. Let's get back to our rice and peas. It's looking good. The cabbage is good. Lastly, we're adding a bit of ketchup to our brown stew chicken. This is going to incorporate a gravy for our brown stew chicken so we can get that nice gravy on top of our rice. And at this point, basically everything is nicely, my chicken is falling off the bone. When I tell you, y'all have got to try this. It is so bomb. You hear me? So everything is pretty much incorporated. I'm gonna cook down some more, so that way the sauce can get a bit thicker, just like this. This is exactly how I want it. And at this point, it's done. There's nothing left to do but be prepared to eat. That is really all that's left. Okay, this food is done. You've done your job. I hope you make this at home. The next step is me showing you how I make my fried plantain. Quickly slice it up and fry it. That is it. Now let's go ahead and get this plate together. I hope you're ready to eat. So here it is. Fresh steamed cabbage, sweet plantain, a mountain of rice and peas. Then this brown stew chicken. Then we have a cola champagne to the side. Delicious. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button for me. I thank you so much for watching.